Loan application is for employer certification. Pumunta tayo sa SSS website, ilagay ang user ID at password at i-click ang sign in. Pagkatapos makapag-sign in, i-close lang natin ang notification. Dito na tayo sa homepage, i-click lang natin ang inquiry at i-click ang loans info. Loan application is for employer certification. Ito ay para sa employed member. Kadalasan ang loan status na ito ay kapag bagong apply pa lang ng loan. Ito yung halimbawa ng status ng loan application for employer certification. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pang i-approve muna ng employer or company ang loan application online. I-inform lang natin ang employer or company na nag-apply tayo ng loan online para ma-approve nila yung loan application online. Kung self-employed naman, hindi nadadaan ng ganitong loan status.